What's going on, everyone? Now, before I start this video, I just wanted to put it out there that I've entered the Tuner Battlegrounds competition to try to get my 240 into SEMA this year. The competition starts tomorrow, September 4th, 2018. So if you can go ahead, when it's time, go down in the description or in the comments, click on the link, go to my profile, click on that star and give my car a vote. It's one vote per account per 24 hours. So if you could just take 5 seconds out of your day for the next 2 weeks, give my car a vote, I would greatly appreciate it. So what do you say I stop babbling on and we get this video started? What's going on, everyone? Well, today we're going to be doing something pretty simple. We're going to be installing the Rocket Bunny rear diffuser on my 180SX, S13, hatch, whatever you want to call it. So far you've already seen us cut into the rear fenders, install the brakes. So today we're going to be doing something pretty simple. I'm just going to be mocking this up. I've already went ahead and drilled some holes in the top ones, and then I'm going to be marking it on the body of the car, and then I'm going to drill into the car. Yes, more drilling and cutting into this brand new paint job. So yeah, let me go ahead and line this up and start marking. Alright, so pretty much from all the pictures I've seen, it seems like it lines up right here, right below this body line of the car. So I'm going to go ahead and line it up. I'm going to also obviously put down the camera, but I'm going to line it up and then take my Sharpie and then mark where I need to drill into this body. So let me go ahead and measure this up, and I will be right back. So I have the, if it'll just focus, I have the first 3 top marks marked up, so I'm going to go ahead and drill into the body. I know this Rocket Bunny kit comes with some self-tapping screws. I don't really want to use those, so I have some of these bolts right here that I got from like Master Cars. I'll leave, come on, focus. So anyways, but yeah, I got some of these. There we go. I'll leave it in the description down below where I got them, but it's McMastercar.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill into these, and yeah, here we go. I have the first 3 drilled out. I have them bolted down completely so that way I can get an accurate measurement, so when I bend it I know where these holes are gonna be. Pretty much to access these, it's real easy. You just gotta go in from the trunk, and then it's accessible. And then this one right here is behind the fender well. So yeah, I assume these 2 are going to be access to the trunk too. I'll know once I start drilling. If not, it'll probably be underneath here. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mark these, take this off, and then drill it. Okay, there we go. Drilled the holes, all the top parts mounted. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse and repeat on the other side. And then after that, I'm going to mock up the diffuser to this part right here. And then well, let's just go ahead and get this done because it's hot in here. I'm sorry for the video quality. I'm using my phone today, so obviously I don't have a tripod or my actual like 4K camera, and the lighting in here is horrendous. I have these LED lights that's just, yeah, killing it over here for some reason. It's giving it this weird haze. But yeah, first part's done. Now I'm going to move over to the other side, and well, I'm going to go ahead and finish that, and I'll show you what I'll do after that. Okay, there we go. The other side is done. Drilled the 5 holes. Used the washers and the bolts and the nuts, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And if you're wondering what nuts I used these locking nuts that I got off of Amazon to match the thread pitch of these. And once again, I'll link all this down in the description below. But just to give you a quick idea of how it looks before I put on the main part of the diffuser, which is over there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mock this up. Once again, I'm sorry, I'm doing this by myself with my phone, so no tripod, no mark, so that's why it's kind of like cutting in and out. I'm trying to show you as much as I'm doing as I can, so this I guess really isn't more of a how-to rather than a me just doing it. But yeah, so let me go and put this phone down and try to line this diffuser up by myself. And there we have it, the Rocket Bunny rear diffuser is now installed. So once I had it lined up, I used this red chair to help me hold it up. I found where the brackets up top needed to be, marked them, drilled them, used the same fasteners to lock it down. My ISR exhaust test fit just to see how it fits with the diffuser. But yeah, that is the Rocket Bunny rear diffuser. See if I can get a better angle. I mean, all this will be in like a walk around video. But it's hard to tell with the lighting in here, but it looks amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Sorry it's kind of short. Sorry it wasn't really an in-depth how-to, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. This thing, the plates just line up in a certain way, otherwise it just doesn't look right on the car. Just follow the instructions that it comes with, as long as you got the real Rocket Bunny one like I did. I'm not sure about the replica one, if it comes with instructions or not. But yeah, comes with all the brackets, hardwares. I opted to use some of my fasteners over their fasteners. I might swap them all out later once I get some more. I'm running low. But yeah, there we go. The Rocket Bunny rear diffuser with my TE37s. So until next time guys, later.